against Daesh, against ISIS. We make photo stories, we tell the stories of fighters, we make videos about the liberation of civilians. We make videos about the work that goes on behind the scenes, like the medical work, like the logistics work, like the mechanics who work to fix the armored vehicles, the other vehicles. It's an all-round effort that the press office tries to inform the public about the war, about the struggle that's going on here, about the humanitarian work that's going on here, particularly of the YPG, but also of the YPG-led Syrian Democratic Forces.